Here in the video, we will share the details for the Southwest Airlines error code 400522146. The error reads, "We are unable to locate any funds for the provided details. If you recently changed or cancelled a reservation, please try again in a few minutes." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to use their Southwest flight credits, especially in cases where the first name contains two words. The error prevents the user from applying their travel credit during booking. According to our research, the error is likely caused by formatting issues in the name or a problem specific to the user's account or the Southwest system. Now let's come to the fixes for the error. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try again. Once restarted, go back to the booking process and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try using a different browser and see if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, it will be best to call Southwest Customer Care. If the issue is specific to your account or something on their side, they will help figure it out. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.